So.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a special guest, Tyrese.
Yeah, we're going like
Yeah, y'all don't know. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, we'll be doing reaction videos to the Grammys. And we're doing a mukbang. So let's get into it.
You stupid.
Mukbang. So let's get into it. Alright. First we have
Jump scare.
Who's that?
Harry Styles.
I wasn't really feeling this
It's given Queen of Hearts.
No, it's giving her. I think Harley Quinn. I mean, I feel personally if you wear something like underneath the jumpsuit, like actually no, I don't want to like tell you. It look bad.
He look like a farmer.
Our farmers,
Like a hippie farmer. A bedazzled hippie farmer.
We're gonna insert the pictures like right here so you guys can see.
Who asked? I didn't ask. Nobody asked.
Run.
Do next Adele. Wait, wasn't Timo doing the announcements and stuff, or whatever they call it? Him
The Rock?
The Rock, yeah. He has let me get into his look, cause since we on his topic right now.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all know like McDonald's nuggets. Like like a crispy McDonald's nuggets, right? Like crispy, fresh off the fry on McDonald's nuggets. The head already giving boiled egg. So
Boy.
I feel like he could have done something better. I mean, when you have money, you really just don't care. Yeah, so we eating Chinese. Really and truly, when you have money, I guess you could really like, I don't know. I don't know if I think you have a personal stylist or not.
They have a personal stylist.
They have a personal stylist, right?
I don't know.
I give his outfit on a scale of 1 to 10. What do you give it?
I give it a 5.
I give it a 2. That was
Ooh. Anyway, that's going to Beyonce. You know I love Beyonce, but
I mean, I always listen to Beyonce. That's really.
at the end of the day, she get more money than me, but
This outfit
honey,
is not giving.
It won't give in. I love the wig. That's her signature color, honey blonde. It looks beautiful and hot, but
Yeah, you look really good. But I don't know. I just feel like for somebody who won so much Grammys
I have so much money.
she could have done something better. Like isn't this like her 80th Grammy or
This
something?
giving me prom 2016.
This giving me like
Under the Water prom 2016.
I don't know what theme she was going for.
What was the theme of the Met Gala anyways?
I mean Grammys.
Grammys. Whatever.
They have a theme?
Yeah. Yeah.
You sure?
No. Let's get into Adele. Okay.
I mean, Adele.
Simple.
Simple, cute, classy. I
classy.
like that for her. Nails matching the dress. I feel like her dress really bring out her complexion.
She look nice.
Yeah, she
Okay.
look like her
Makeup
makeup
on
look
point.
good. Yeah, I
okay.
like it.
Period, sis.
I like her. Oh.
I would give her like a good 7.5.
Who?
Adele.
I give her 8 because she had fucked up that performance.
Ooh, who's this?
I don't even know who that is. Wait. What the one with
Yeah, Farmer Boy.
Okay. Oh.
Let's get into
Miss Doja Cat.
Miss
Whoa,
Moon.
Yeah, let's get into Miss Doja.
Oh wow.
I mean, I don't see how
Maybe it's the picture.
It's not the picture.
Cause it don't.
I see I guess she's in her goth era. The haircut, the makeup, the latex. It's given, but I just feel like the haircut really threw it off for me. The dress itself is gorgeous. I'm not too sure. I don't know. what she was going for?
Well,
She was going for, I guess she was going for a trash bag. She was going for a trash bag.
well, maybe it doesn't fit my aesthetic, but I think it's nice for her aesthetic.
I feel like she should have.
I just don't like the haircut, but that's just me. I just personally don't like short haircuts. But I give her a calm 8.5. The outfit's not that bad.
You give him.
I mean, okay, 8.
She got 7.
Oh, okay.
Also, my kindness.
Oh,
Who's that, J-Lo?
I think that's. Let me see. Oh,
Yeah.
that's
What's J-Lo?
yeah.
Wow.
Mm.
Okay, let me get into it.
It's a lot going on.
It's too much going on. I don't feel like this is giving Grammys, like, you know, it's giving me like prom. I feel like maybe she should, it's a little bit too revealing to me. That's me personally. Your dress is gorgeous. It does, you know, the colors just really uplift her complexion. I really do like it.
I mean, it's different.
The slit or just the
The whole outfit.
and then the shoes.
Mm.
The shoes. Her legs,